Hello everyone, Sai here. Thank you so much for joining me for an unboxing of a subscription I got with Buttons Galore and More. I decided to get this subscription. It's been a while since I've had one, and I thought it'd be fun to get something completely different than I normally get. And this is buttons, sequins, confetti, etc. I don't use those things too often. I never really know what to do with them other than confetti. But I thought it would be a lot of fun. And on the website, I saw what was inside and I thought that it was extremely adorable, extremely cute, and I had to give it a try. So I went and got a subscription and we'll see how it goes and see if I continue with it. If I don't end up using anything, then I'll cancel it. But it's nice to give different companies tries and support them in different ways. So let's open this box and see what's inside. So we'll start off with the free gift, which is this one, and that comes with your subscription box. And it's just a bunch of red and pink and clear sequins. Looks like there's butterflies in here. You can see that. And there's a bunny in here. We got some stars. So it's a nice little spring Valentine's. I wouldn't say spring if it wasn't for the bunnies, but you can pull those out if you want them for Valentine's, or if you happen to have, oh my goodness, these are staticky. Wowzers. That is one staticky bunch of sequins. If you did happen to have bunnies for a stamp set for bunnies for Valentine's, then that would be perfect for this, right? But definitely a very cute sequence for spring and Valentine's. The next thing we have are some button fusions. So these are your just typical buttons and candy swirl styles. We got some ombre ones here. This is where it's going to start getting difficult because I don't know what to do with these. So I am going to be looking on the internet for inspiration to see what to do with buttons. But like I said, I thought it'd be a lot of fun just to play around and see what I can create. And then what we have here is box exclusives. So I'm not sure if this means it's a bunch of random things for this kit in particular. Like maybe you could buy these separately on their website. But you got some lips. I really like those lips. Those are fun. I got some charms, more buttons. There's a rose button here. The word love. And then it says together down there. It's a lot of little fun elements to add. We'll see. It's really, really cute in person, but we'll see what I can do. Now, this is what really got me. I saw this on the website and I was like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get it because I remember eating these chalky things when I was a young kid and even in my teens. And I love them. They tasted terrible, but they were so awesome for Valentine's Day. And they really remind me that it really brings back the nostalgia of that. And so I just love that. Now this sequence looks very similar to the one in here, except without all the extras. So it's just the sequence in red and clear. Maybe there's some pink in there. Hard to tell with all this red, but it looks mostly red and clear. And then we got some really sparkly gems. I'm going to pretend they're all pure diamonds and rubies. And it's called Smitten. These are really pretty. Let's see if we can dump some of these out here without making too much of a mess. Love that sound. That's really cool. Let's see what it sounds like near the microphone. And it comes in some pinks and clears and red, and they're not staticky at all. So that's great. And they have a flat back. So oh no, they're staticky. Yeah, they're staticky. What I was going to say is they have a nice flat back on them. So you can glue them onto your cards, or you can throw it into a shaker, which is something that I want to start doing. I have this box here that I've been working with Trinity Stamps products, And it's a gift box, and if you get the extension, you can turn it into a shaker gift box. And this is my prototype. And this is what I was thinking when I got the subscription. I thought, well, you know what? Now I'll have a bunch of stuff to fill these gift boxes and have some fun with that. So that's one idea that I have. Next, these are really neat. I love these. They almost like the matte. They have this weird finish. It's really cool. I just love the feel of them. And so they got the backs on them, which apparently you can snip off so it's nice and flat. I believe that won't wreck them. Like I don't know. I'm guessing. But these are really cool. I like the designs of these. Once again, I don't know why I buy the things I buy, but like, look at this. This is absolutely adorable. I just love it so much, and I have no regrets. And then finally, the last one are these, and I believe they're called I think they're polymer clay, if I'm not mistaken. And they have different words like hug me, love, kiss me, and they're supposed to be shaped like hearts. Some of them are a little wonky, but you know what? You can still tell they're meant to be hearts. It's called Sweet Talk. I think they're supposed to be like these ones, these conversation hearts. Very similar, right? The idea. And yep, so that's it. And let's hope that I'm able to create something with this product. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. It's so me. I love Valentine's Day, and I love all these things that really bring back my childhood. So let's hope that I'm able to create something other than just with the easy sequence on my cards. So until the next time, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care. Bye.